Hey there, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I am going to teach you Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, you can easily remember up to 7 numbers. So today I am going to teach you this simple flower with 7 simple steps. If you have any question, queries or any suggestion, write me in the comment box. So without wasting our time, let's move to our video. Let's start our Sunday, Monday 7-step flower. First you take one square paper. I have 10 by 10 square paper. Now here we have square paper. Join these two corners like this and press it. This is our first fold, our first step, Sunday. Now put the bottom corner on the upside corner like this and press it. Do same with the other side. This is our second step, Monday. Now put a finger inside the paper. Here you get one small pocket. Press it like this. Same with other side. This is our third step, Tuesday. Now fold that extra paper like this. Do the same with other side. This is our fourth step, Wednesday. Now here you can see one line. Fold the paper here. You will get small triangle like this. This is our fifth step, Thursday. Now join both sides like this. Apply glue and stick it. It is our sixth step, Friday. Here is our one petal ready. I make one more petal. This is another one petal. Here I have 6 same petals. Now the time is join the all petals together. Apply glue here and stick another petal like this. Hold it for a second. Let it be dry. Now stick another petal. Stick all the petals one by one carefully. This is our 7th step, Saturday. And here your Sunday, Monday, 7th step easy paper flower is ready. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming new videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.